We are assembling the beer mug. Now, I have started by folding my lid on the score lines, and I'm adding the panel pieces. And there is a slight border all the way around. And then we're going to just glue the tabs. So this is pretty straightforward. And we're just going all the way around. And on the last one, I'm going to put glue on both my tabs, my two remaining tabs. That's the lid. So the handles have a panel piece. And then I would fold your tabs over so that when you glue these together, you don't accidentally glue the tabs together. Okay. And now for the mug. I'm going to go ahead and glue these two pieces together so that I can see where. It'll help me line up my panels a little bit better so that I start the ones on this piece in the same place that I have the others. So this is another box that's just very quick to assemble. The longest part is putting all your panel pieces on. This would be really cute, embossed. Same with the foam. That would be really cute, embossed as well. And now we're going to glue it shut. I'm just going to take a few moments here to see how I need to maneuver the bottom to get that to fit. It's really squeezing and pinching to make sure you're going to get a good fit. And you don't want to use too much glue, but you want to put on enough so that it stays wet long enough for you to be able to maneuver all your corners. If you do it too thin, it'll dry too fast. I'm just going to kind of work one side at a time. Kind of pinching and maneuvering. There, I think I got it. And then flip it over and use something to reach down inside. And then you have slits that your handle will go through. My handle's sticking to my fingers. Mine is a little bit snug, so I'm going to use my pen to help me widen it up a little bit. My fingers are very sticky. I will widen these a little bit because my cardstock is so thick I can't get it through the slits that I made. There we go. And now I'm just trying to split. There we go. Open up that handle on the inside, and then I'm going to pop some glue down in there. If you can see the tabs in there. I'm just going to pop some glue on there. You can do your handles before you close your box up. At the very end, and then you won't have to reach inside. I didn't want to bend my handle. There we go. Things are getting stuck. There we go. And there it is. It's cute, simple, goes together pretty quickly. That is the beer mug. Thank you for joining me.